a robot dog built to handle complex terrain, the world's thinnest flexible transparent display, and a microscope that reveals the nanoscale world without added markers. More than 1,000 university-developed technologies are on display at this year's China University Scientific and Technological Achievement Fair, spanning applications from everyday convenience to advanced medical care. Heat up the pan, add oil, drop in the ingredients. In just minutes, this cooking robot, trained by a professional chef, finishes a classic stir-fry, showing how academic research is entering daily life. At another booth, medical innovation takes center stage. This surgical navigation system provides doctors with real-time guidance and extreme precision, bringing university innovation directly into the operating room.
This technology has been under development since 2005 based on near-infrared optical imaging. In the past, many of China's leading surgical robot manufacturers relied on imported equipment, but now they are gradually switching to our domestically produced systems. Last year, we also established an overseas division and have since built partnerships in more than 100 countries worldwide.
All of these cutting-edge technologies originate from universities. Some have already matured into market-ready products, while others are still in the early stages of development. And the fair is designed specifically to bridge that commercialization gap, helping each technology connect with the market that best fits its needs. To speed up that process, the fair brings companies and university researchers together through targeted matchmaking events. Enterprises come with clearly defined needs, openly releasing cooperation goals and investment intentions on site. Helping connect the two sides are on-site specialists who act as intermediaries, making sure complex research can be clearly understood and practically applied.
Universities are powerful platforms for intellectual innovation, but they are often far removed from the market. Through the work of technology managers, we can connect the real needs of enterprises with the actual capabilities of universities, matching problems with solutions more precisely.
Promoting real transactions is the core goal of the fair. Discussions quickly turn into deals where research teams and companies formalize partnerships, sometimes even signing agreements on the spot.
Today's main focus is the commercialization of brain-computer interfaces and rehabilitation robots. Universities can complete early-stage work such as prototypes and pre-research, and then enterprises take over for engineering and commercialization. This creates a seamless industry-academia research connection and significantly speeds up the product's time to market.
From laboratories to production lines, the China University Scientific and Technological Achievement Fair is accelerating the journey from discovery to deployment. By bringing universities and industry together, the fair is helping transform scientific innovation into real economic momentum.